Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today I'm going to be talking about what your choices are when it comes to botched hip surgery in terms of compensation and recovery options. Now, if you've been the victim of a botched hip surgery procedure, it's important that you should know that you may be entitled to free private medical treatment from a private specialist in your local area. That may also include a corrective procedure as well as dealing with any pain reduction. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest you use some more immediate solutions in terms of dealing with your botched surgery. Now, in some situations, dealing with botched surgery can cost tens of thousands of pounds. Now, if you decide to bring a claim with us, you could be entitled to all of this without having to pay a single penny. Now, as no two injuries are the same, speaking to a private specialist without having to worry about any hefty medical fees could make all the difference in terms of your recovery. Contact us to find out if you're eligible for free private treatment from a hip surgery specialist by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've been the victim of a botched hip surgery procedure, it's generally safe to assume that any pain, suffering and injuries were down to the negligence of your surgeon. Now, if this is the case, you could be entitled to compensation, the sum of which is wide-ranging depending on a multitude of factors. Not only could you be entitled to compensation, but you may also be able to have your procedure corrected at no additional cost to you. Now, in order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with botched hip procedure claims. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free, zero obligation consultation, where we'll talk through your botched hip procedure incident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. So if you're suffering from injuries due to botched hip surgery and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. Now, if we take your case on, we will be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery, should you require any further treatment, and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way. We'll be able to discuss compensation for hip replacement surgery. If you're wondering how much compensation will I get for a hip replacement, we can go over hip replacement compensation amount and hip replacement settlements amount for hip replacement malpractice settlements by looking at hip replacement negligence cases and answer any questions you may have in regards to no-win, no-fee hip replacement, like can I sue if one leg is longer after hip replacement UK? Now, I'd like to know if you've ever received any plastic, cosmetic or corrective surgery and what your thoughts on your own experiences are. Or are you thinking about corrective surgery, or would you ever consider it? Let me know in the comments. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk.
where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.